and these Zoom webinars, getting to know people and getting the word out about our great business that people are enjoying. The vision of where we might go with this great company. We actually have a recorded briefing of the slides that we have that is pretty nice, and that's at wealthstep-by-step-slides.com. And so most people look at that. We don't go over slide by slide on these calls because that does such a good job giving an overview. We just touch on some of the concepts, and sometimes we have a chance to meet the owner. I've actually found this company in June 22nd, and I've been around the horn a lot, been in some companies, made some good money, but I was always looking for something where everybody could work a few hours a day and get some very positive cash flow going in, like our $25 customer acquisition bonus for every person, where you have a successful share. We're not using the word sale, but a successful share where somebody actually joins in with you. And I've never seen anything like this from the viewpoint of the simplicity of the plan and the pay plan and the product and the product's potential as we move down the road. As we start out here, real quick, I wanted to have Susan give us a list of the top 10 earners, and right after that, I was going to have a few comments from the owner of the company, Adam Walker, give us a little status. Susan, can you tell us what you've been doing with the Facebook page and how did we do in September?
Just been keeping up with the Facebook page, and a lot more people are posting to ask questions and starting little conversations and sharing their motivation, and it's very nice to see. And we did very well in September, and Adam gave me a list, here it is, of the top 10 earners in September, which was Angela Holmes, me, Susan McCook, John Keelek, Frank Lefebvre, Janice Lefebvre, Brian McKaiser, Carrie Tilley, Randall Wiley, Stephen O'Hare, and Darius Bellong. Hope I said that right.
Great. Well, a great round of applause to the top earners. We're going to also have a top 10 for next week of the top 10 people who are having successful shares, getting the $25 and providing all the spillover and the residual income to everybody in the system. So we'll probably end up with 2 top 10 lists. So we'll be tracking the top 10 earners and the top 10 current builders, so that new people coming in are going to be able to have their name up in lights. So thanks a lot, Susan. We'll be coming back to you because we're going to go over 16 emails, not every one of them, but 16 fabulous emails that she and Angela have been working with and put together. Before we do that, I want to introduce a man that I really enjoy listening to, such a great forward-thinking man. 3.5 years ago, started this company, and we